Hello, have a great and blessed day, everyone. Enjoy again and again the singing birds, praising and worshiping the Lord, and sharing with you the daily prophetic word. The Father says today, partake of my strength. The path in front of you has an end. Your perseverance will be rewarded in due time. Determine above all else to stay in the place of obedience, even when you don't fully understand what is going on around you. When you are ready to give up, know that I'm here to keep you moving forward. The race is not to the swift, and the contest is not to the strong. When the problems of life weigh you down and your strength begins to wane, breathe in of my spirit and breathe out away from you all weakness, sorrow, and frustration. Remember, says the Father, that I am all about yoke easy and burden light. I place no premium upon weighing you down with crippling sorrows or a heavy load of despair. There is nothing spiritual about a furrowed brow or a downturned mouth. When you feel these false burdens come upon you, lighten up. Remember yoke easy, remember burden light. All else is just blessing in process and victory at hand. There is no struggle without its end when you keep your trust in me. When the smoke clears and the dust settles, you will be left standing intact and on time for highest heart's desire and greatest dream fulfilled, says the Father. Enjoy and be more blessed.